You will see that we have the month structured in 3 parts. The first month is about understanding and softening. The second month is about implementing change. And the third month is about integration and resilience. So the learning goals for month 1 are how habituation works and why your brain keeps tinnitus in focus, the role of neuroplasticity and how your brain can completely change its response to tinnitus, why the fight or flight response makes tinnitus worse, cognitive diffusion techniques to help you unhook from distressing tinnitus thoughts, because thoughts are just that, thoughts, and how mindfulness can reduce your emotional reaction to tinnitus.